friends, today we are going to discuss about match and index functions in Excel. So this is the database I have just created for explaining these two functions. So here this is the serial number, this is the vice president name, this is the sales manager name, and this is the sales 1 value and sales 2 values. So here I have created one drop down list which you can do going to data and click on data validation and select the list here and then select the range that you want to show in the drop down and then press enter. So this will show the drop down list. So now let us look at some of the questions here, how to solve them using this match and index function so that you can easily understand. So let us look at match function first. So what is the use of this match function? So it will show the row number or column number of any specific value. So here the question is, what is the row number of JKL? So let's look at how to find the row number of JKL. So equal to match, open bracket, you will see the formula here by default. So what is the lookup value? Lookup value is JKL. I have already selected in the drop down list for easy purpose. So lookup value is JKL, comma. What is the lookup array? So this is the array that we need to look at, comma, match type. So this JKL should match exactly. So that means exact match, we will take 0. If you don't give 0, by default it takes it. Otherwise you can mention 0 as well. Okay, so now the answer is 4. Let's look at it. So JKL is here. This is the row number 4. This is correct. Now let us look at one more. What is the column number of JKL? So here again the same function, match, and lookup value is same JKL, comma, lookup array is, here it is not a row, right? We need to count the column number. So we need to select this. So in this you have 5 columns. So JKL column is actually 1, 2, 3, third number. Let's see what is the answer. So and match type should be exact match. So it is 3. Fine. So for example, now this is JKL in the drop down. If I select ABC, so ABC row number is 1. So this is fine. But the column number, it is not coming correctly because we need to select the different lookup array. So lookup array for ABC is this. Now this will come properly. So this is the column number 3 for ABC. Okay. So now let us look at index. So what is the use of index? Index will display the value of a particular row and column. Right. So let us look at this question. What is the second row and first column value? So how do we know second row and first column? So it depends on the database that you are selecting. For example, if you are selecting this entire database, then second row is this, and if you are selecting from here, second row is this, and then first column is this. So let us look at an example. So index, first we need to select array. So what is the array we need to select? Let me select these 3 columns instead of selecting all 5. So we can select whatever the data that we want. So from there it will count the row number and column number. So next we need to give as per formula row number. So comma, row number is second and then column number is 1. So by default it takes 1, otherwise we can give 1 also. So this is the value. So now let us look at whether this is correct or not. Second row, this is the second row. Let us give a fill color to understand. Let me give different color. And then first column. So this is the first column because we have selected from there. So now the value is DEF. This is matching. So now let us check the next one. Next question is, what is the second row and third column value? It is similar. So index array is same. Let us take the same 3 columns, and then now the row number is 2 and column number is 3. Right? Close. Enter. So it is showing 6359. Let us check. So second row is this, and then third column is this. So 6359 is the value. So the reason why I am saying this is third column, because we have selected only these 3. So in this third column is this. Right. So now let us go a little deeper by combination of match and index. So what is the question here? How to find VP name of any selected SM. So let's say, so we need the value, right? So if you need the value, you need to use index. Index. So what is the array we need to use? Because you need to find the VP name, so you need to select this as an array, correct? And then row number is what? So row number is of any selected SM. So SM, we have a database here, drop down list. So let's say here we have selected ABC now, and we can change it later also, whatever we want. For example, we want to know the row number of this ABC. So what we can do, how to find the row number? We have to use match function. Match. What is the lookup value? You need to look for this SM. Right now it is ABC, comma, lookup array. What is the lookup array for SM? This is the lookup array, right? So in this you have SM name. So what is the ABC row number? 1. So that is what it will come here. And then match type should be exact. Right, now match is done. So now go back to index function. So we have completed till row number. So then we have to give column number. So column number by default it will take 1. Otherwise we can give 1. Enter. So for ABC, the VP name is X. For example, we select some other STU. So what is the value? It is automatically changing to Z. Let's see here. So STU it is Z. Fine. So now let us look at one more. How to find the sales 1 or sales 2 values for selected SM. So this is little bit complex. Let's see how we can find using match and index functions. So here I have selected again, created a database showing the filter as sales 1 and sales 2, which you have already seen how to do it for SM. Similarly, we can create here. And then now let us see how to use this. So we have to display the value of sales. So for value, we need to use index, right? So what is the array we need to look at? Sales details. We need the sales details. So we will select both sales 1 and sales 2, comma, row number. So what is the row number? Row number is related to selected SM, right? So selected SM means again we need to know the row number of SM. So how do we know the row number of SM? We have to use match function. So match, lookup value is this SM, comma, lookup array is SM column. This is the array, and then exact match. So this is row number. Now column number. So how do we get column number? Again we will go for match function. Match. Lookup value is what now? Sales. Either it may be sales 1 or sales 2. We can change it in the filter. So this is the lookup value. And lookup array is sales 1 and sales 2. Right? And then exact match. Right. So here we need to make sure the width of this is equal to width of this. Otherwise it will not come. Then press enter. So it is saying some typo because I think we need to close one more bracket. So this last bracket we have not added, so that is the reason it has given error, and it is automatically taking the last bracket and it is showing the result. So let us check whether this result is correct or not. So here we have SMSTU. So this is the SM. So let us highlight this, and then this is for sales 2, right? Yeah, so sales 2 is this. So the value is 3745. This is matching. So now we can change this to sales 1. If you change it to sales 1, it is changing to 3344. So this is 3344. Let us change SM and check. Let's take MNO. So if you take MNO, so this is MNO. Let us put it in a different color. And this is sales 1. So this is 7890. So this is what all about match and index. Hope you enjoyed learning these functions. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and press bell icon if you want to watch my latest videos. Thank you. See you next time.